Okay. Well, did I get lucky today or not? We'll soon find out, won't we? We'll soon find out. And lucky for me, I got enough room, I think, without hitting the back wall. If I was going to hit a wall or something, I would have to put two pieces together and then push one through there far enough and then hook on the next one, you know. I think I got my ladder set up okay. And we'll just see what happens here. And see, I'm thinking, if anything, I'm just right up at the top of the ceiling, and it's just going right on through. And I'm going to leave it right like that, see if I can't reach it over here. Let's see what I can do here. We're going to, that went up almost too easy. I might be in the next bay over, and if so, I'll have to take it out and kind of reposition it. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. I'll see if I can't fish my arm up in there and try to hold my arm and my mouth just right and see what I can do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There it is. Kaboom. Look at that. That was a simple Simon, man. I'm glad I had that third extension. You see? See there? There's that. And we're going to go over here, and there's the end of it. Kaboom. Okay, so now I can take my wire. I'm going to strip back the end of the wire a little bit, and then I'm going to just take the black or white wire or something, wrap it around the end where that, you know, to the far right. And that should be enough to keep it from falling off. Now I can put electrical tape on there and all kinds of stuff and get it all set up, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Next, get all set up, reposition my wire over here, set my ladder up. You see, are you getting it? That didn't look very hard, did it? Well, in the other room, it was way harder. It took me forever to do it because I was going through a box like this, and I had to go through two other TJIs and miss the wire gussets that went up and miss all that, and I kept hitting them, and I was like, I can't do it. I stopped for the night, and I was determined the next morning. I said, I'm going to get up there, and within the first 15 minutes, I'm going to have it, and it only took me about 5. 5 minutes went right up through there. It was like a miracle or something. Okay, and now see all the stuff that came down on the bed? See all this stuff? Well, last time I had just one little towel there, and all that stuff was here. That's why I just took the vacuum. I vacuumed most of that stuff up. I don't really need a drop here. I'm just careful. You just want to make sure your ends of here aren't muddy. The ends of your flexi bit system doesn't have grease on the ends. Last thing you want to do is set that on here. Oh, brother. Now I've got a greasy bit here, a greasy bit over there. Where'd that come from? And now you got to worry about all that too, okay? All right, so now I'll get set up for the next bit and show you how to pull the wire over. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.